B.
Yin? Servant contract made it.
Ju, what are you talking about? Huashu. Magpie Feather Lamb? Do you have another guest?
No guests. It's just that a little drunken cat suddenly barged into the room, jumping up and down, making a complete mess. I can't invite you in today.
I just remembered. Magpie Feather Lamp?
Princess Huashu, I have to go back now to take care of that little drunken cat. You should rest early.
When I find the Cloud Mountain, I must leave soon. This Gu Jin, such an idiot.
Is Cloud Mountain that hard to find? Still no news?
Condensing Cloud Mountain has its own hidden enchantment. It could be concealed in any mountain or secret forest. I transmit spiritual power to my sister every day, but she shows no response at all. So I was thinking, maybe to let my sister transform, we must find the Zhuanhu Lake of Condensing Cloud Mountain.
Next time I'll come with you to search. Our fox tribe is the best at treasure hunting. Not drinking today. Let's go back and rest.
No way. We agreed, no return until we're drunk. Where's the wine cup? Haven't you noticed the wine today is quite special? This is a pear blossom brew, specially made by me.
The first time I saw you 10 years ago. Since then, actually, in my heart, I've been thinking of you. I want to tell you the words that have been buried in my heart for 10 years. I like you.
Yin.
I did want to help him. But now...
Didn't we agree? Today we'd just drink happily and think of nothing else? Come on. No return until we're drunk.
Let's drink. Right, Ijo. You're healed. Aren't you going back to the Fox tribe?
The Fox tribe is my home, but it doesn't feel like home. My father and mother are gone, and there's only one person I don't like there.
Do you dislike your aunt that much?
I don't know. Maybe it's because when I see her, I'm reminded of that day at Jingyu Mountain. A complete mess. The more she tries to make amends, the more I want to escape.
But it's okay. Once I find Cloud Mountain, I'll allot a big piece of land to you. You can stay wherever you want. You don't have to go back if you don't want to. Basically, you can do whatever you want.
Yin. I always said, I wanted you to learn the Fox tribe's dual cultivation technique with me, but I don't think so anymore. Now I want to be the person hidden in your heart.
B.
Yin? Servant contract made it.
Ju, what are you talking about? Why did you change into Ajin's appearance? Change back quickly, I really just don't want to see him right now.
What did Anyu tell you? I didn't disbelieve you today. I know your nature the best. But you still ended up being wronged. I owe you an apology.
Who needs an apology from a fool like you? Dummy, I'll just drink.
Yin. Look at you. You've shown your true form. And you still haven't said what a Jew told you? Don't listen to his nonsense. Did you hear that?
Jin.
Huashu.
Huashu. Magpie feather lamp. Someone gave her a magpie feather lamp.
You've shown your true form. We can't let anyone see. Let's hide you first.
Jin, are you there?
You hide here first. Don't make a sound.
No. You call her over. I want to confront her.
Jin,
Princess Huashu, do you need something this late at night?
there's an urgent matter in the clan. I must return first thing tomorrow morning. I've come to say goodbye. And there's something else I need to go out, I think.
Princess Huashu, what about tomorrow morning?
I must return first thing tomorrow morning.
Is it so urgent? Princess Huashu, have your injuries gotten better?
It's nothing serious.
Huashu. Magpie feather lamp?
Do you have another guest?
No guests. It's just that a little drunken cat suddenly barged into the room, jumping up and down, making a complete mess. I can't invite you in today.
I just remembered. Magpie feather lamp?
Princess Huashu, I have to go back now to take care of that little drunken cat. You should rest early. Yin. You're not hurt, are you?
The spiritual energy is abundant here, creating a barrier naturally. This must be the location of Dazi Mountain's fairy vein. I've searched for days, finally finding the fairy vein. But the power of the sky-covering umbrella is too great. How can I get in? Who's there?
Uncle Shenju, when did you return? I haven't seen you in 2 days. You've been searching for that book in the human world for 2 years.
I did spend some time. You mustn't speak of this to outsiders.
But Uncle, what are you doing here in the middle of the night?
I'm checking the restricted area. Recently, Dazi Mountain is crowded and many eyes are watching. We can't let anyone get close.
Then I shall patrol some more.
No need. I have already checked. You should go back and rest early.
The spiritual barrier outside the fairy vein is undamaged. The fairy vein is safe and sound. Right now, what I'm most worried about is still Jin.
Disaster is approaching again?
I've calculated If Arjun's red Luan star is moved for Yin, it will directly lead to disaster entering his fate.
How could Ajin's red Luan star be moved for Yin? Hasn't he always admired Huashu? They are still young after all.
Maybe love has sprung. Without their knowledge, or the heart is entangled and reason is in chaos, where is the sense in that? If they really wait until their feelings are out of control, then it will be too late. This disaster is a life's death disaster.
What if for Ajin, we first hasten his marriage with Huashu?
Think more. You and I. Let's think more about it.